Belgium. Hi, my name is Smita. Come with me for the journey of Roots, Belgium. Roots, Belgium is famous for its beauty and charm. Roots, Belgium attracts large number of tourists from all over the world. Roots is famous for its Flemish architecture, exquisite history, gleaming nature, and passionate food. Roots is UNESCO listed site. Let's tangle yourself in the cobbled street of Roots, Belgium. Let's have a look of some of the medieval buildings. The Belfry of Bruges is one of them. The Belfry of Bruges is a medieval bell tower and it was added to the market square around 1240 BC. Next is Lopum Castle and Maze. Lopum Castle and Maze is a place enriched with art and culture. It is a place of artistic treasure. And next is a Bruges Canal, that is the heart of the city. Bruges Canal is having more than 80 canals. It is also referred as Venice of the North. If you are fond of shopping, Market Square is a great place. Market Square is ringed by restaurant, terrace, great old gabled buildings. One of the special features of Roots, Belgium is Buggy Ride. Buggy Ride is the center of tourist attraction. It is a royal ride for the whole city tour. One of the great places of Bruges, Belgium is Fries Museum. In Fries Museum, Bruges, Belgium visitor can learn the history behind Belgium's favorite snacks. A golden treasure of Bruges, Belgium is Basilica of the Holy Blood. Basilica of the Holy Blood was the old chapel of Saint Basile's. It is a home to a well that is reputed to contain the blood of Jesus Christ. If you are a food lover, Belgium is the best place for your favorite food. In Bruges, there are huge variety of hot and other. Bruges is having chocolate shop at every street. Bruges French fries are mouth-watering. It is different from all over the world. Beer is a great combination with Bruges mouth-watering fries. Bruges beer is also different and famous all over the world. Bruges best dish is yummy Bruges waffles. The special about Belgian waffles that they have deeper grooves so they can hold more toppings. There are all other food for which Bruges, Belgium is famous. Feel the wonderful taste of Bruges, Belgium. My journey of Bruges, Belgium was fabulous. It's a great place. If you like this video,